If you want to take control of what you see on Instagram, you can adjust your settings to allow more sensitive content. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable it step by step. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to change, since this setting applies only to the account you're currently using. Once inside, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. From there, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find Content Preferences and tap on it. This section controls how Instagram filters and shows content in your feed. Next, tap on Sensitive Content. You'll see 3 choices here: less, standard, and more. If you want to enable sensitive content, choose either standard or more. Standard allows a balanced experience, while more will let you see almost all types of content without restrictions. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out.